Hey guys, Dan Carr here. Today we're going to take a look at another piece of equipment from my gear cupboard, and this is from Really Right Stuff, and this is called the PG-02. This is part of their Pano gimbal setup. It's kind of a modular setup that allows for creation of a system that will do panoramic photographs for you, but they also have another accessory that goes onto this if you want to set up a gimbal head for using really long lenses, 500mm, 600mm, that kind of thing. But this is a PG-02, this is the panning base, and I have an Fas clamp on here, and this setup is for doing panoramas. It's a pretty simple little setup. As you can see, we've got one main knob on the side here. We release this, and that basically allows you to pan this, so this would be on your tripod like this, and there you go, you'd be panning it around. Clamp down this nice big rubber handled knob, and that thing's not going anywhere. So we've got nice laser engraved scales all around, as you always do with Really Right Stuff. And then the Fas clamp on here is just basically one little knob that slides backwards and forwards, and there's a little indicator here to mark, you know, where you want to be for each of the different lenses and camera combinations that you might have. So I always have base plates, L plates on my Really Right Stuff cameras, so the L plate just clips in there. Close that and you're ready to go. So typical solid Really Right Stuff build quality, and just incredible machining really. I've got the quick release plate on the bottom here, so I can easily clamp it into the lever clamp that's on the top of my TVC 33 tripod. And a quick little tip as well, I've got some little notes stuck in here as well. These have the nodal positions for various different lenses and camera combinations, so I just stick them in there, a little piece of paper with some sellotape, so easy reference in the field. If I switch lenses, I know where I need to change this Fas clamp, where that needs to be. And got a little bubble level on there as well. It's quite heavy. I'm sure there's lighter weight options out there, but I just love the build quality of all the Really Right Stuff components. I mean, this thing will last literally a lifetime. And if you want to use a gimbal as well, then you just add the vertical arm for the gimbal, and you can keep this in the pack as well. So that way, if you're traveling, you kind of have a setup that doesn't need a separate gimbal head and a separate panoramic head. So it's pretty nice in that respect. And the Fas clamp as well, this obviously comes off, and you can clamp this in all other places. I've had this clamped to the side of my L plates on cameras for putting accessories on there as well. So yeah, neat little setup. This is the PG-02 from Really Right Stuff.